Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Joyce McTeer and I am the owner and operator of Lajoytra Creation Designs. Please bear with me, y'all, if y'all hear some background noise. I'm actually recording downstairs in my basement. My grandson is upstairs and he has his little toy that he's watching. So we're gonna do a how to create African print earring, but I am going to be doing something a little different uh, with this earring. Now I am going to be using this Tulle right here, and you can find this anywhere. I believe I got this from, you can get this stuff at Walmart, you can get it anywhere. It's not that expensive. You will also need a little small piece of suede cord. You can find this also at Walmart. Now this bead right here that I'm using, this bead is about 16 millimeters. It may be a little bit bigger than that. And these beads, I'm going to show y'all, comes along with a kit that I purchased a while ago. I don't have the kit in the front of me, but it was a kit that I showed you all a while ago that have these beads right here inside of it. So you're going to need two of these. You're going to need two fish hooks. You're going to need, now the piece of Tulle that I cut out is a 5x5 piece. So you're going to need two pieces of this 5x5, and this is 4x4. So my African print fabric that I cut out is 4x4. You're going to need, of course, your scissors. You're going to need some round nose pliers, wire cutters, and at least between 10 to 12 inches of aluminum, 12 gauge aluminum wire. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started. So the very first thing that we're going to do, ladies and gentlemen, is we're going to take our fabric. Once you cut out your fabric, you're going to take your fabric and lay your fabric down first. Okay, you're going to lay that down, and you're going to, whatever side you want facing out, that's the side that you're going to lay down flat. So you're going to lay that down like that, and then you're going to take your Tulle and you're going to try to place it in the center of your earring. I think I got that right. Yeah, you're going to place that just like this. Now the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your bead. You're going to put your bead in the center of it, okay? Then we're going to take and we're going to bring everything together. Just like this. Okay? You're going to bring everything together. All right? Just like this. Now you're going to take your cord that you have. You're going to take your cord and you're going to wrap it around, and you're going to tie a knot just like this. Now you want to try to tie it as tight as you can get it. You want it to be nice and tight. Okay, so these earrings, y'all, you can make these earrings in a matter of minutes. Okay, so this is what you're going to have. All right, now the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your 12 gauge aluminum wire, and you're going to, all right, where did I put it? You're going to take your round nose pliers and you're going to make a loop up at the top of your wire. So you're going to make a loop just like this, right up at the top. Okay, and then you're going to come over top of where you tied it, and you're going to place your loop down this way. Okay, and then you're going to start wrapping it. You're going to wrap it around, and as you're wrapping it, you want to hold it as tight as you can. Make sure that these pieces of your strings are down. Okay, hold it as tight as you can get it and just wrap it. Okay, so there you have it. And then we're going to go around this about 3 different times. just like this. Okay, so this is pretty much what you're going to have. Now what I'm going to do, see, I wrapped it a couple times. You're going to come up just like that, and then you want to find the center of your earring, of your bead, and you want to start wrapping it just like this. Okay, I want to start wrapping it just like this. And you don't, the thing about this that I really like about this is that you don't have to worry about adding no pins, none of that. This is just simple, and you just continue to wrap it around just like this. Okay, now, and that's not going anywhere. Now the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to come and I'm going to snip this off with my wire cutters just like this. And I'm going to take my round nose pliers and make a loop. Now when I make my loop, I'm going to put it right down in there. I'm going to show you. Make my loop and tuck it down in there. And then I'm going to take and pinch it just like this. Okay, so you can see what I'm doing. Now these strings right here, I am going to snip these off. Now if you want to, you can add a little something on this if you want, but I choose not to. And then I am going to add the very last thing, which is my fish hook. And when I put on my fish hook, I'm going to turn my whatever side that is going to be facing the front. I'm going to turn my fish hook this way, place this on just like that, close it up. Okay, and then you have yourself a very gorgeous pair of African print earrings. There you have it. And these are different. They are unique. I have not seen anything made like this at all. So for those of you who are on, anybody that makes these, please send me if you're on Instagram, send me a shout out. Let me know that you made these and created these. The sky is the limit with this design, y'all. You can make so many different, and this look like little people. These look like little people, okay? So with that being said, I want to thank you all for taking the time out to watch this here video. I greatly appreciate it so very much. Go make you plenty. And if you are new and this is your very first time joining me here on this here platform, please subscribe by hitting the all bell button that is on the side so that once I upload more videos, you will definitely be notified. I want to thank y'all for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome day. And as always, until the next one, peace and blessings. See ya.